Hi Miss Yaya, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna make room tour. I will describe all about my bedroom, so let's get started. Welcome to my small bedroom. So guys, we will start from here. Behind the door, there is a mukena with tasbih. And then on the wall, there is a light switch. Next to the light switch, there is a AC remote control. And there are my photos collection. On the corner, there is a teddy bear, and you can call my teddy with Fo. On the bed, there are two pillows with two bolster pillows. Next to the bed, there is a mini desk and my laptop on my mini desk. Okay, let me show you about what's in my desk. There are some of Al-Quran, and then let me show you to see what's in my wardrobe. Ta-da! Behind the door, there are two money, but it is fake. This is tripod, iPhone box, bag for camera, two dolls, AirPods box, clock box, a letter from my boyfriend, body clothes, I got it last year, cotton bud, Vaseline, hand body, a cap with signature of Drisya Jodi. You know her? She is singer. I got it from her showcase. And this is all of my clothes. This is my socks. This is my bikini for swim. There are two bandana. There are two, wallets, my short pants, my long pants, and the left side, my clothes too, my mukena, all of my bag, and all of my jacket, neck pillow, pink dolls, tissue, skirt, t-shirt, and I'm sorry I can't show you this drawer because it is so secret for me, secret about me. On the wardrobe, there are two shoes, suitcase, and on the wall there is a AC. And let me describe all about my dressing table. We start from here. This is hair energy, body lotion, sunblock, cushion baby powder, pond's, it is like day cream. I don't know, I just use it every day. This is my perfume. The brand is Aficionada. Vaseline repairing jelly. Face mask Mustika Ratu. MBK, it is like deodorant. AirPods, watch, hair combs, hair vitamin, iPhone, handphone, pencil case, earphone, tissue, today. And what's in my pencil case? It is pencil, stabilo, correction tape, 3 pens, and also book and binder, Pancasila book. And under table there is a chair in the drawer. What is it? Post-it, Rubik, skisser. What is it? Counterpane, jedi, charger, iPhone, a lot of glasses. And in here, what is it? Heels too, shoes, and doormats, charger, blanket on the bed, and finish. Okay guys, I think enough all about my bedroom. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to your friends, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.